Canon PIXMA MG7560 printer driver, software, download. The advanced PIXMA MG7560 all-in-one home printer is the convenient multi-function combo that connects via smartphone or tablet through Wi-Fi or NFC. Complement your workspace with a choice of a black, white or orange option. PIXMA MG7560 employs the latest technology for a 9600 x 2400 dpi print resolution in order to achieve high-quality detail and color reproduction. Canon PIXMA MG7560 Windows, driver and software package. This is an online installation software to help you to perform initial setup of your product on a PC, either USB connection or network connection, and to install various software. Operating systems: Windows support for Windows 10 32-bit. Windows 10 64-bit, Windows 8.1 32-bit, Windows 8.1 64-bit, Windows 8 32-bit, Windows 8 64-bit, Windows 7 32-bit, Windows 7 64-bit, Windows Vista 32-bit, Windows Vista 64-bit, Windows XP. Canon PIXMA MG7560 Mac driver and software package. This is an installation software to help you to perform initial setup of your product on a PC, either USB connection or network connection, and to install various software.